Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Araneta. This is something historic. I've been here before, especially during PBA days, but this is the first time that I have this opportunity to speak just right inside the Araneta Coliseum. And it's so historic that I really feel happy and elated this afternoon. Especially that I'm part of this very, very important event, this program of the PSBL. But before I proceed, allow me to salute, extend my greetings and salutation to the founders, the two founders of PSBL. First, of course, the CEO and founder, none other than Mr. Christian Insomo. Palakpakan po natin siya. And ang kanyang co-founder and CEO, walang iba kundi si Nato Agbayani. Palakpakan po natin. At nandyan din po ang nag-invite sa akin dito sa event na to. Kaibigan ko to at makasama kami sa mga ilang organization sa VIP as well as sa WCC, UWCC, na walang iba kundi si Joybel or Travis. Palakpakan po natin. At kararating din ng nabanggit sa akin na ito, tagahanga niya ako sa basketball eh. Walang iba kundi si Rodney Santos, Commissioner ng PSBL. Palakpakan natin. At ang mga regional officials, coordinators of this very important sports program. Yes, I am Dr. Ronald Adamat, one of the commissioners of the Commission on Higher Education. And sports is one of the many aspects of education. Kung maalala po ninyo, noong unang panahon, ang pangalan ng DepEd ay DEX, Department of Education, Culture, and Sports. Nagkataon lang po ay nagkaroon ng trifocal education. Mayroon na tayo ngayong CHED, Commission on Higher Education, may DepEd, mayroon tayong TESDA, at saka yung sports component ng education pumunta na sa National Sports Commission.
Yes.
So, ganun ang setup. Pero, kami sa Commission on Higher Education, we really encourage the promotion of peace. Ito po ay isang napakagandang programa. That's why saludo talaga ako kina Christian. Dahil ito ay isa sa mga approaches and programs to total human development. Pagka sports-minded ka, magiging malusog ang katawan mo, pangangatawan mo. Kung malusog ka, makapag-isip ka ng maayos. Kung ikaw ay estudyante, makapag-aral ka ng maayos. Malakas ang katawan mo. Maliban doon, kayo ay mailalayo sa mga kriminalidad, drug addiction, and so many other things. Now, I'm sure and I pray through this program, which I want to be part of, in fact, because I'm also a sports-minded person. Nung elementary, high school, college, talagang athletic din ako, basketball player, softball, baseball, lawn tennis. Name the sports, I have it. So, ako'y natutuwa na naging parte ako dito. I hope, if you will allow me to join you in this program, it's a welcome development. Kaya, sabi ko, part ng edukasyon talaga ang sports. Kasi nga, ang daming maidudulot na maganda ng sports. Yun na nga, doon sa slogan ninyo, isang laban, isang lahi, isang bansa. Okay, who knows? Ito, mark my word. Who knows? I'm sure one of these athletes here will become successful in the future at maging membro ng PBA. Di ba? Sino bang gusto mag-membro ng PBA? Ma-slave sa PBA? Mahina eh. Sino ba? Hindi lang PBA. Pwede rin sa Gilas, di ba? Kung babae man yan sa Alas, di ba? Sino bang may gusto? Okay, I wish you good luck to the officials and to the athletes and all those people behind this very important program. May request ako sa inyo, kung pwede ngayon tayong tumayo, sandali. Tumayo tayo. Ito, mayroon akong quote sa book ko which runs this way: investing in peace is investing for the future. Now, when we invest in peace, we also invest in sports. Because for people who are sports-minded, we develop sportsmanship, we develop peace in their hearts and minds. Kaya, we have to invest in these guys, in these youngsters, and for that matter, can I request you to please clap your hands 1 to 10. Wait. Discipline is important in sports. Okay, so discipline, that means if I say, kung sabi ko, well, let's count 1 to 10, clap our hands 1 to 10, in cadence, ibig sabihin pare-parehas ang beating from 1 to 10. After the count of 10, shout at the top of your voice, mabuhay ang PSBL. Can we do it? Gibayin natin yung areneta. Can we do it? Ready? 1, 2,